Are you ready?
It's more fun in the Philippines. The Columbia is waiting for you. Amazing sceneries, Greenland, looking for fun, meaningful adventures. Come and visit the hidden gem of Columbia, in the paradise where nature, culture, and progress come together. The province of Sultan Kudarat. Looking for a Barkada Gateway? Arat sa Pangadilan Falls, where the road is long, every adventure starts with a road filled with laughter, music, and endless memories waiting to be made. Far from the city noise, closer to the heart of adventures, rolling hills, fresh air, and also freedom at every mile.
Ito na after a chill road trip and good music finally.
Welcome to Pangadilan Falls. From the city streets to the heart of nature, wala talagang tatalo sa trip na to. Water, seas, and nature welcomes you home.
Just a few hours away from the metro, makakarating ka na sa hidden gem na to.
Whether you're here for adventure or relaxation, Pangadilan greets you with nothing but good vibes and nature feels. Dito sa Pangadilan, hindi lang nature ang fresh, pati samahan fresh na fresh. Hindi kailangan sosyal na kainan, basta sama-sama kahit simpleng fiesta na yan. Ang sarap ng pagkain kapag ikaw mismo yung nagluto, pero mas masarap pag barkada ang kasama. Make memories, not just meals. Pangadilan Falls, where every bite tastes better with barkada. Good food, good friends, good vibes sa Pangadilan Falls. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Ihanda ang pagkain at mag-Pangadilan Falls na. After kumain, it's time to cool off and take a dip. Tara na't mag-swim dito sa Pangadilan. Hindi lang kwento ng relaxation kundi pati ng adventure. This is the place to make new memories and reconnect with your barkada away from the noise but full of good vibes. May adventure kung gusto niyo ng thrill at may chill spots para sa mga low-key moments. Pang IG worthy ang bawat sulok. Water's perfect. Hindi malamig, hindi mainit, just right para mag-chill o mag-relax. Pauwi na kami pero para sa amin this trip will definitely stay forever sa memories. Walang tatalo sa banding na to. Minsan lang mangyari and these are the moments we'll carry with us when we go to the busy life. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-reconnect, hindi lang sa nature, pero sa friends na parang pamilya na rin. Pangadilan is the place to be. Pangadilan made us feel closer.